Today I have a new item to show you I just found. I got it for camping. It's a kind of a survival type knife, multi-purpose knife. It's by this company here, Kubey. And do what you never did. That's what it says on the side. It's a multi-purpose knife. Let's take a look at it. Okay, first off, it's very, very heavy. So that's a good sign, because something that's too light and flimsy isn't going to hold up. Very nice design. It's got a little skull here, and it's got little arrows here. So an attractive looking knife. It is a folding knife, so whoops, here comes the blade. And pretty big blade. Nice and sharp. It also has a serrated part right here. And I think this part here, this is supposed to be for a glass breaker. So if you're ever, like, say, in a car, and the car gets submerged and you got to break that window to get out, that would work for that. I do like that you can cut a seatbelt with it. I don't know if it's there or there on the seatbelt cutter, but if you are in a car, it's submerged, you got to cut the seatbelt and then you got to break the window. That's a good knife to have, and very, very nice and sturdy. You can see here, it is not a thin knife. It's not one that's going to bend, so I like that. It's definitely sharp, and oh, it's got a clip here, so you could clip it to your backpack. This would definitely be a great knife to take camping or to keep in your car. And very, very good. I like it. Let's see, we'll close it. And just kind of push down on this section right here if you've never used a knife like that. And then you can just clip it right on to whatever you've got. So that's very nice. I like it, and I'm going to probably keep it in my car, but I'm also will take it when I go camping. Yes. I'm glad I got it. I like it. Well, that's it for my review of this tactical folding knife that is multi-purpose. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.